Hi all. Last session we talk about the central processing unit and process states. So next we are talking about the memory management. In memory management, memory allocation is what is memory allocation? Memory management involves allocating memory to processes. Then only we can able to execute the process for allocating in that some particular space. If we are not allocate the space in memory, we can't execute the process, we can't get the CPU. These are all the things not happen. So once we want to execute the process means we have to allocate the memory, ensuring efficient use of available memory. Techniques, for what kind of techniques we have to use for that memory allocation means segmentations, paging and virtual memory enhance memory utilization. Virtual memory. What is virtual memory? Virtual memory allows processors to use more memory than physically available by swapping data between RAM and disk storage. So in this case, there is one main memory and secondary storage. In main memory, the operating system built. So this under this operating system, there is a user space. In this user space, the secondary storage and user space, the process will be swap in and swap out. Once we got the input from user, the process get the some memory space and starting the execution. For that process states and data will be stored in the secondary storage. So in that secondary storage, process P1, there should be two process means P1 and P2. In P1 process, executing data will be stored in secondary storage, and whenever the user needs the data, that particular data retrieved from the secondary storage and get into the user as a output. So this is the memory management architecture. And memory protection, the third point. OS mechanisms protect memory from unauthorized access, ensuring data integrity and system security. These are all the memory management. And next we'll move to the storage management. File systems, file systems, storage devices. Two points we have to discuss under the storage management topic. File systems, in the sense, storage management include file system organization and management. File systems organize data into files and directories, providing methods for storage allocation and access and retrieval. Storage devices, different storage devices have varying speeds, capacities and access times. Storage management optimizes data storage and retrieval operations. So these are all the operating system overview. What are the overview of what is operating system? In this explanation, we have very clear idea about operating system. So first of all, we have to see about OS functions. Operating systems provide essential functions like process management, memory management, file system management, device management and user interface services. Kernel. The OS kernel is the core component that manages hardware resources, provides system services and facilitates communication between software components. Type of operating systems. OS types includes single user, multi-user, real-time, embedded, distributed systems, each designed for specific use cases. So these are all the operating system overview. In this diagram, there is a layer of a system. First layer is user 1, 2, 3 and extra etc. about the user n. We have no limitation set for the user. So there are so many users are using the single system. So in this second layer, program interface. In program interface, there is a compiler, assembler, text editor and database systems. If the user one or more user access the same system means we have to allocate the operations for individual users uniquely. If user 1 to access and edit the data means user 2 we can't give the access to edit that same data. So we have to give the access operations uh, for different users. So the third layer, user programs. What kind of application, single application program used by various users. Then next layer, OS interface. OS interface in the sense it's operating system between OS interface in the sense the interface between user, program interface and operating system. Then OS. Then next layer is hardware interface, privilege instructions, disk, tape, memory, and this stage for memory. So upcoming sessions we see the further topics. Thank you.